I sent in to you guys for repair about a month ago, and I was checking in on the status.
Okay, what is your last name?
Pace, P-A-C-E.
It looks like we have some parts on order for it. Let me check. Looks like we're just waiting on 3 more parts. We ordered quite a few parts for it.
Do you happen to know what happened to it? Is it listed on your computer or anything?
It does not say. I can transfer you back to the tech though.
Sure.
Okay, just a second.
Thank you. How are you?
Good.
I was calling to see the status on an AV receiver that I sent to you guys.
Okay. What's the name on that?
Pace, P-A-C-E.
Hold on, okay?
Sure. I am.
Okay, what was your last name again?
Pace, P-A-C-E.
Say it was a receiver?
Yes, Yamaha.
One for Birkenhauer. Bear with me here. There was one I completed this morning. I needed to call the customer, and that might have been yours. Let's find out. That's Bruner. When did you bring it in?
About a month ago, May 8th, maybe?
A month?
Yes.
Can you give me a number to call you back? Because I'm not near a computer. I'm having to go back and forth on the computer. So can I call you back?
Sure, I'm probably at work, so I'll give you the number and you can just leave a voicemail if that's fine with you.
Okay.
The number is area code 32. Alright guys, so you just heard that phone call that I just called. Rack Stereo, I believe is their name. They're on Yamaha's site as an authorized dealer, so I trust the Yamaha. But as you can hear, they can't even find my receiver, supposedly. It's been there for a month. I dropped it off May 8th, right before I graduated May 12th, when I went to pick up my grandparents from the airport. And to hear that they can't even find my receiver is kind of weird. The lady at the front desk, she did say that they were ordering 3 parts. They were getting 3 parts that needed to be ordered and sent to them so they can fix my receiver. But the only issue that I have with that is this. I haven't heard any information of what's even wrong with my receiver. When I had dropped it off, I asked them what's the process of fixing it and everything, and they said, oh, well, we'll diagnose it, we'll tell you what's wrong with it, we'll give you a phone call, and then we'll ask you if you want to go ahead and pay for these parts because it might be expensive unless you're under warranty. I didn't know if I was still under warranty because I had bought my Yamaha from another person through eBay who just didn't want it anymore. So the whole idea was to figure out if it was on warranty or not, and then we can go from there. So it seems like they're fixing it without asking me if I want it fixed or not. Of course I do, but I could very well just get a new receiver if the repair cost is going to cost a lot instead of fixing this one right here. Although I do want to fix it because I'm still going to get a new AV receiver eventually, because I do have two sound systems, one in the main living room and one back there in the bedroom. Excuse me. So I do need two receivers, but I would rather have mine back in mint condition if I have a warranty, and if I don't have a warranty, then why not spend that money on something brand new? So that's my first issue. My second issue would be the fact that the second guy that I called, which is the technician, he didn't even see my order at all, and he said that he had another receiver he just fixed from Bruner and somebody else. So it's really weird that he couldn't look me up. He sounded confused when he asked me when did I send my receiver, and I said it's been a month. He said, a month? So it sounds like that's a long time to have your receiver in the shop as well and not hear anything back. So don't know what's going on with that. I really miss having my receiver because I really can't do anything with it. Although I am saving up money to get a monolith from Monoprice. They're 7 times 200 watt amplifier. I'm gonna get that, and then I'll be able to at least watch movies from like on my Oppo player, because I can run 7.1. They have 7.1 pre-outs on the back of the Oppo 203, so I can at least watch movies again. But that's about it. Can't listen to music. I can listen to music, but I have to use a USB drive or a physical CD, which I don't have any of those. So kind of sucks, but it's whatever. I'm kind of tired of waiting. So that's that, I guess. That's that. I want to let you guys know what's going on with the AV receiver, because I've had some people ask me what's going on with it. When have I got it back? When am I getting it back? Am I getting a new one or not? So that's the update for you guys. I have not got it back. I want it back. I want it back in working condition, and I will get a new one next year whenever HDMI 2.1 is in everybody's units. So that's going to be that. As far as update for home theater in general, I am getting decorations to go up in the room, some carpet, just things to give the room some personality. Right now it's just boring. It's just boring. So I'm not the typical person. I like to design my things to cater to music. So right now I'm putting in different decorations, different musical themes, whatever, in both rooms. Just order some new bed sheets if you care. If you watch my videos, you'll know that I've gone through bed sheets over and over again just because I like to change the pattern, design, the color, whatever. And I'm doing it again. So I got new bed sheets that should be here today, so you'll see that, I'm sure. And looking at different rugs, I have one in mind, really nice, and I want to get like curtains and things to go with it, and just have it like a cozy home theater almost. Not completely like a home theater looking living room, because people do have to come in here and and hang out in here, whatever. So I don't want to theme it up too much, but music is obviously what I like to do and what this channel is built upon. So I'm going to make it themed that way. The couches that I was given was from a friend of mine, and I'm so thankful that I have these couches because it saved me money from getting my own. But they're green. They are green. So I'm going to order some couch covers just to change the color of the couch. And then of course I got this cat here who always wants to shed everywhere, so it'll help protect the couch a little bit better. But mostly I want to just change the color of it because I want it to match the decor in the room. So I'm going to get different couch color covers, and then go from there. I'm going to get an ottoman so everybody can lounge and you can watch movies in here, and just make it a comfortable place to watch movies, listen to music, and enjoy yourself. So I will be showing you guys the bedroom home theater soon. I have the Pt.1 signature series in that room. I think I'm only going to run a 5.1. I have the PB1000 in there. So that's going to be my sub. I thought about just doing a 2.1 music room in there, but I don't know. I don't want to waste. I have a 7.0 signature series. I don't want to waste the speakers. So if I'm not going to use them, I might as well just give them away. Who knows? But that's going to be it for this video. Just a quick video to show you guys what's going on, update you guys, and keep videos going out there. I keep telling you I'm going to do a 7 Reasons Why video, and I am, but going back between work and getting things set up in the apartment and things like that has been a busy schedule, and plus this cat wears me out. So, but you guys love the cat. The cat got a lot of likes in the last video, so I'm probably going to start putting the cat in the video more often just because he'll give me 30 likes by himself. Won't you? You probably can't see him. He's always sleeping, but that's going to be it, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on these videos. It helps the channel grow. It helps with the support, and of course it lets me interact with you guys and get feedback from you guys to know what you guys like and what you guys want to see. So be safe out there. It's a crazy world. It's a nice day here, so I hope it's a nice day there. And Kpaceguy out.